Good morning everyone. So ngayon, nag-prefer na ako kasi nga ng driver ng alas 7 guys. So, going tayo ng airport sa Narita kasi flight natin going Philippines guys. So, see you later mga kamikiyan. See you Philippines. Good morning everyone. So, waiting ko si Pero. Tagal tayo alas 7 na wala pa si Pero eh. So, waiting lang ako ni Pero dito guys. Pero sa labas. Ayan. Sana tayo. Hindi ako kumain kasi pag once na may flight ako, hindi ako masyado kumakain. Wala kasi pero inantay ko pa kasi. Siya alas 7 usapan, alas 7 wala pa siya. Ano ko sa labas pag-antay, baka parating na siguro siya. Ito yung sa Japan guys, yung halaman nun. So, ang ganda yung pine tree na para sa US, ganda din yun. So, bye bye everyone. So, maganda ngayon ang panahon guys. Ang magandang panahon. Nung isang araw, ang pangit ang panahon. Lumamig na talaga. So, lumamig na siya guys. Ito yung babae ito sa Japan. Yan. Bahay yung sister ko. Tahimik talaga ito sa Japan. Kasi ayaw nilang, hindi ka ba makita dito na maingay. May kapitbahay na. Maaga pa lang. Ngayon, wala kang makita doon sa Japan. Sobrang tahimik na nila. Area. Peaceful yung nila. Di pamumuhay sa Japan. Dito yun. Wala kang tao naglalakad dyan. Wala kang nakitang tao naglalakad. Tahimik. Nandiyan lang sa loob ng bahay. Yan. Yan lang guys. So bye-bye. card. International Narita. Yan si Peru. Where's the airport? Okay. So ngayon dito na kami sa my departure area, guys. Pa-immigration na kami. Natin mag-immigration. Nagbe-vlog ako, te. Yes. Departure. Papasok na tayo sa loobin. Departure na kami. Kailangan natin magpasok ng ano. Boarding time na.
Pinipino na ba yung mga strict yun dyan? Hindi pa. Ako na nga, maulang nga sa iyo.
Sige, Tiot. Ayan, ingat, ha. Kita-kits na lang. Kita-kits sa Pilipinas. Plaza.
Your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body to dot the vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. We'll take to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull the inflation tag to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube. Blow to increase air and push bed inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft and be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Hold the elastic band sideways for a snug beat and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a side rack. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the token itself. The safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance with existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are our utmost priority. We wish everyone an enjoyable flight. Due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time. Para po sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po lamang na tanggalin ang mga charging cables sa in-seat power outlets at iwasan po ang pag-charge ng inyong mga portable electronic devices sa mga oras na ito. Maraming salamat.
Ano ka tanggalin mo nga. Mamaya tayo ulit tatlo. Ano natin para baliktad na oh. Mabubuho siya sa baba pag bukas ay. Tingin mo ng balance.
Gira ligeramente a la izquierda. Dentro de 600 metros llegarás a tu destino. Dirígete hacia el sur. Mantente a la izquierda. Dirígete hacia el suroeste. Dirige